Hello, my name is Alexander Guzman Suarez. I am system technician. I am 33 years old. My family is wife Ximena and our dog Miru. Why live in Laura Caldas? I'm my free time. I like to travel, watch movies, and play video games. On vacation, we travel to Medellin in the years 2017, and we attend the Fair of Flowers, a very nice event. Take tax place annually. I went with wife and the mother of the wife, Miss Mary. We also visit the zoo. The park explorer which interactive with that universe, flowers and our planet, also that we travel to the city of Barbosa, and of the water parks where we find my swimming pools, sliders and gondors. These two holders were planet. We are a hand. We find 700 pesos for each person. The water is spring, so it's always recommend to carry in the document catch exclusion, comfortable clothes and camera and hydrated. Finally, the experience on this trip was very good for me and my family because we rested and had fun. Thank you. Bye.